Today I'm going to give you an alternative to Midjourney. So, one you can use is called DALL-E. It's very similar. I think that Midjourney is better, but you can also give this a go. Now, you can use the exact same prompts in this, and it's going to produce similar results. Obviously, they both have their different strengths and weaknesses. So, let me type in a hand-drawn sketch of a plane and press generate. Now, one benefit of this one is that you can do it online, so you can do it on their website, whereas with Midjourney you have to do it in Discord, so that's one thing to note. So you can see here it's made some pretty good drawings here. So yeah, this is one that I would recommend trying as an alternative to Midjourney. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked.